Good morning, all of you. I am Shirish Mullai, and today we are going to discuss one more data type, that is list manipulation. Let's see what is list manipulation. Python data types. The Python has six standard data types. First, numbers, string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Let's see. Sequence data type. A sequence is an order collection of similar or different data types. Python has following built-in sequence data type. First one is string, list, and tuple. Now what to do in this chapter? First, introduction of list. Second, creation of list, accessing how we can access the element from the list, working with list operations, and list function and methods. Now what is list in Python? List is collection which is order and changeable. List is a collection which store the element in a linear way, and that elements of list can be changeable. We can replace them, we can modify them, we can update them. Allows duplicate members, and we can also allows duplicate values in a list also. How to create list? By just declare the name of variable, and the list is enclosed with a square bracket, and elements are separated with the help of comma. In Python program, a list created by placing all the elements inside a square bracket separated by comma, and each number is having a unique index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to access element? We can access the element of the list by its index. For example, my list, these are the five characters, and we can access them with the help of name of list, square bracket, and particular index. One more example here, this list is having this string values, and what we are doing here, we are just using string slice. Second to fourth element we want to display the 2 colon 5, the 0 1 2 from second elements, that is from here to fourth element 2 3 4, three elements will be displayed. Here second example, how we can access element with the help of for loop. Just write for a in, after that just write the name of list, so each and every element access in a linear way with the help of loop. And directly we can also display like name of list, and just print and just write the name of list name. Here examples are there. How to change? As we all know, list element can be changed, can be replaced. How we can change with the help of the index value. Suppose this list is containing three values, apple, banana, and cherry, and we want to replace the index number 1. Index number 1 means 0 1, middle element banana, and we are replacing this element banana with new value, that black current, and result will be here. So by using index value we can replace the value at index. How to compare? Suppose two lists are there, you can see in a first example, first 1289, second one is 91. Here the length is not matter, here the elements inside the index, it is the matter. So you can see here first number 1, and here second number is 9, so 9 is greater, so second list is greater than first list. In second example, first two element 1 2 1 2 are similar, but third element in right side string is greater than first, so that is greater, second one is greater. Here like that 1 2 is similar, then third element is here, left hand side 8, right hand side is 9, so right hand side string is greater. So it is order comparison, one by one we are comparing. As soon as you find that this number is greater, then that particular list is become greater as compared to previous one. Operation on list. First operation, concatenation operations, which process which can be add multiple list can be combined into together, and we can join them. Here as usual plus operator it can be used. Here you can see first list is there, second list is there, and third list is having the sum of both the list. So result will be like that. Result is a single list ABC 1 2 3. Here you can see learn one more list, Python is another list, but result is combination of these two strings. Replication or repetition, that means we are repeating the element of list. So here you can see print list into 2, so this 2 item will be repeated and they become the part of list. Slicing the list, as you all already know, string slice we have already seen, that same concept will be used here. So here you can see here first example a b c d e f g, and what we are adding here a 3 comma 3 colon 5 will start the element from 0 1 2 3 to 5, that means 3 and 4 will be displayed. And the concept of indexing you know very well: forward indexing, backward indexing, positive indexing, negative indexing. How we can assign positive and negative indexing, you can see here. Now for example only we will discuss here. First you can see here the strings nums, and we are starting from 2 to 7, that means 2 3 4 5 6, 5 element will be displayed. Second example, we are starting from 1 0 1, second element, that is 20, and from up to the 10, but jump element is 3, so then result will be 20 50 and 80. Third example, we will start the indexing from minus 5 minus 5 to 7, that means minus 5 to 7 elements, 50 60 70, 7 will not include. And suppose endpoint is not included there, then what will happen? So it will 5 and 7, jump element is 7, so only one element will be there, 60. Some example also there, and but we are not going to discuss it again because we have already seen the concept of string slicing. Update element, how we can update, that means how we can change the element by using its index. So just write the list index number and assign the new value, so it will be updated. Clear? Now methods in a list. First method, append method. How we can add the element in the list at the runtime, at the time of while loop or for loop, with the help of append the element. We will try to add multiple items in the list with the help of append, and it will complete but count it as one element. Suppose we are adding 3 element as a list into another list, but this 3 element counted as single element. Here example is append element, language 1 is another list, and we are append it to the language list. So result will be what, there are 4 element, and after updation of elements, language 1 is added, but language 1 added as one element, so it's append. Extend, it's similar to append, but it will extend the size of the list. Same example here there, and you can see here that count of the element is become now 5. Python list insert, we can insert the element into the predefined list by using its index. Vowel dot insert third number index, that means fourth number index, and the value is O. Remove element, same way we can remove the element, just write the direct value fruit dot remove and the value of the list item, and that value will be deleted, removed. Now in this example you can also see here that deleted values and return values is what? The return value is French. French is deleted from the list. Python reverse method, we can just reverse, we can change the order of the list sequence. So only name of list dot reverse and just display. So all the items are arranged in a list in reverse order. Python list sort method. Sort method, we can just arrange ascending order and descending order the elements of the list like that. Just write the name of list dot sort it will arrange all the elements of list in ascending order. And if you want to arrange the element in descending order, then you have to write vowels dot sort inside the bracket reverse equal to true. Then the values are arranged in the list in descending order. Python list index method returns the position at the first occurrence of the specified values. Suppose vowels equal to a, e, I, o, u, I, u. Now I am just writing here index equal to vowels dot index e. Now it will return the value index. Suppose e on where e on number 1 index. Now here I am just writing second index value of I, and I is available in the list in 2 times, but it will return the first index of first I only, not second I. So it will return index 2 for I. So it's known as index method. We can find out index of particular value. Python clear method says clear is just remove all the elements of the list and list become is empty. Count method, we can just count a specified number value in the given list. X equal to fruits dot count inside the bracket, just give the value, and the value is counted from 0 index to last index, and whatever count is there it will display by the variable. Here you can see one more example of list, how to search the element in given list. As usual, we are just assigning the values to the list num evl function. Now we just find out the length, and after the finding the length we just take the input from the user to search the number in given list. Now length is suppose 10, so first 0 will be assigned into the variable I, and index I, num index I is equal to the value which is entered by user. Then we just increase the count c1, and this process will start from 0 to last index. After end of the loop, we will display the number of 5 in the list in c1. So this is all about the list. Hope you will understand all the concept of the list, all the methods of the list. Tomorrow we will assign some worksheet based on the list. By the time you just revise it properly. Regarding any confusion, doubt, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you. Have a nice day.